You got the metal key?
Yeah, I got the mechanical key.
And that turns the ignition?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
You can check it.
I believe you. All right, let's check it, program it. So you have two metal keys.
Yeah.
Lost the key a couple times, or?
No, it was just, I never lose keys.
You should tape your, the chip key that I'm gonna do, you should tape it up somewhere, and then you can just use the metal keys.
Hey, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? There's an antenna ring around your ignition. Yeah, it's like a black circle. If you take it off, just make sure you're careful with it. Okay. So we got a GMC, right?
Yes.
GMC Sierra 2010?
29.
Okay. Should be the same anyway. Okay, it's programming now. It takes about 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
Mm-hmm. No way around it. All right. Key in. Okay. Around and in. Secure, let you shut off. That's it. We're all done.
Perfect, man.
Cool?
Yes, sir.